What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am making this delicious pizza. Come along with me. Let I show you how I achieve this delicious pizza. Sista J's way, Sista J's version, and Sista J's style.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sista J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the.
So here's a rundown of my ingredients. Here I have my Parmesan cheese, my sharp cheddar cheese, pizza sauce, corn, some olives. Here I have some pepper here. I have some spinach, some tomato, some assorted bell pepper. Over here I have some mushroom and some scallion, some onion, garlic powder, basil leaves, cilantro leaves. I have a pineapple that I'll be peeling. So now I have the bread. I'm using a flat bread, and also I'm using a pizza crust. I'll be doing 2 pizza, and I will not be doing the dough today. So I'm using some chicken breast. This is some jerk chicken breast, along with some mushroom that's already washed and prepped. So here I'm showing you everything that I'll be using that I already gone through, but everything now is already prepared and ready to make the pizza. Here I have a skillet on the fire, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated up, I add some mushroom to that. So this mushroom is gonna get smaller when it starts the cooking process, and it's gonna let some liquid out. And then I'll be adding the other stuff gradually. Okay, so I'm adding some minced garlic to this, and I'm just gonna mix this in, and then I'll be adding some onion and some scallion. Yeah, so here's the onion and the scallion, and I'm just mixing that. Yes, guys.
Sista J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe.
So now I'll be adding some stewed tomato, and this one I'll be using the one from the can.
Sista J, them say it tastes nice. Start to call my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with your friend them, comment, like.
Here I'm adding some basil leaves, some fresh oregano leaves,
Yo, pass a plate right now. No joke.
Now I'm adding
Sister
the
J, big up yourself.
jerk chicken breast. Guys, this smells so good. I'm adding some cilantro leaves, some Parmesan cheese, oh, this smells so good. Now I'm gonna be adding some jerk seasoning. Yes, guys. So here I have my pizza sauce over here, and I'm adding some jerk seasoning to it also. And now it's time to make the pizza. So I'm adding some sauce to the crust. So now that the crust is already covered with the sauce, I'm adding some of the stew to that. So that's the chicken breast along with the mushroom. So I'm adding some assorted bell pepper on top. And then I'm adding some fresh pineapple. Yes. I'm sprinkling some cheese on top of the pineapple. Now I'm adding some spinach. So guys, I didn't cut the spinach up. I want it just like that because I know the spinach is gonna shrink anyway. So I'm adding the corn. And now I'm adding some tomato slices. I'm adding some olives to that.
Sista J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine.
And some pepper.
As you start cook me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook on my finger, my bite.
On top of that, I'm sprinkling some more cheese.
With my friend them, comment, like. Sista J.
Guys, look at that. Look at the color. Looks good, don't? Now I'm sprinkling some Parmesan cheese on top of that. So now this one is ready for the oven, and I did the other one the same way, and now they're both ready for the oven. So here I have my oven preheat at 350 degrees. There you have it, my people. My pizza is ready. Looking good. Yes, guys. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Guidance.
Sista J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sista J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the